Hey, Brad with Family Handyman. Some DIYers think they're pretty clever when it comes to making repairs around the house, but oftentimes we find that these repairs range anywhere from a little embarrassing to downright dangerous. So let's have a look at some of the horror photos we've gotten from home inspectors. Okay, so is that a desk fan that they're using to try to vent the attic? Nice try. So when you look at this, you might not notice anything at first, but take a closer look. The tank's on backwards. I don't know how this happens, but maybe there was nothing in the instructions telling the person to put the tank on facing forward. I'm not sure how this could possibly be seen as less work than just running the dryer vent out through the wall. This clever soul decided to take it all the way up to the attic vent fan and duct tape it in place. So what's wrong here? Pretty much everything. This chimney needs to be rebuilt all the way down to the roof, including a new cap, so you don't get the little terrarium growth on the top. So this one just made me chuckle. Obviously a mouse problem, and you might think it's a bit overkill. I've had mice in my house, and when I do, I'm pulling out all the stops. Say, that's a fancy new toilet there, but you might want to move the outlet. What a great idea. All you have to do is move all the paper towels and soaps and potions, and you'll have instant access to your service panel. Okay, so let's say you do have a pet beaver. Don't leave them in the attic unattended. Nope, that's not a view into a trash can. That's looking down someone's chimney. That thing is ready for a good cleaning, and Santa needs his boot back. So those are just a handful of homeowner blunders from home inspectors. To see all of them, head to familyhandyman.com.